Project Preview Part 1. So, imagine you have a YouTube channel and it can be about anything, especially like you have something, some videos which you are going to explain about certain topic or maybe like teaching programming or anything else, doesn't matter. You have YouTube channel and in your YouTube channel you have different YouTube videos. In this case, I have, for example, my last YouTube video is about Cursor IDE, and then and you're a programmer as well, so you want to start new project and you want to create new project which is going to help you to get more views and get more subscribers for YouTube channel. I get that idea that we have something called Reddit. So if I'm going to go to Reddit website here, and in this website people, it's kind of like Twitter, like people ask question, people answer that question, people post the stuff, so it's kind of conversation between people. For example, if I'm going to talk about like search on the Reddit Python or Java or Python or for example or Go, if I search that, anyone using Go, Rust for AI, blah blah blah, I'm gonna find Python or Go. If I'm going to go for that, we see that there is a Reddit, like there's a post here and it's talk about I have 2 year experience in JavaScript and so on, like lot of detail. And then at the bottom of that we have some people which just put some respond and reply to that Reddit post and talk about why Python or why Go, which one is better. For example, here Python is the most blah 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 in practice, while of course both are general purpose language. We have another Ready like response. We have another person which respond to that post. You may not have given me a clear decision, but you have given me something even more valuable. You're inside, blah blah blah. So it's like people having conversation with each other and trying to talk about this question and trying to answer this question, trying to talk with together. So the thing is that I get that idea. If I'm going to for example, we have the last post is the last post of my YouTube channel is why cursor ID. If I'm going to search on Reddit here, like that, what is cursor IDE? If I'm going to search that, we're gonna see best AI code IDE, cursor.ai demo, or some other Reddit posts, and we have some like questions, sometimes explanation, and at the bottom of that we can see the reply, people who reply to that post. So here, check out the demo for cursor.ai, and AI first ID that can write, update, fix, explain code in a Git repo. So we have the response like that. You can download it for Linux and or it worth to try or whatever, right? But the thing is that like people talking with each other and their target people is like their target audience. And why their target audience? Because they're talking about the exact same things which you're looking for. So these are the people who really willing to watch your videos. So how you can attract them? So you can simply just reply to their question or to their just Reddit post and try to answer the question or try to talk with them like that. It said that. I said, yes, you can download it from cursor.ai website and they have a big documentation and with a more detail and it's so good. I work with it. It has this feature. It's like explain the pros and cons, right? And at the end, you can simply put your YouTube channel link and put your video and you can say, okay, if you like to learn more about it, you can just check out my YouTube channel, YouTube video. I already talk about that. I already explain about documentation, how we can use it, how we can integrate it, and how we can like in a solid configure it and everything. Like if you want to learn more, just click on the link and try to watch my YouTube video. As you can see here, even we have YouTube video. If I'm going to click on it here, we're going to direct redirect to the YouTube video. So, but the question is that, like, we are programmers, right? Because we are programmers, we actually want everything to be automated, everything. So we don't want to go every day search for the with the same title of our YouTube video and try to answer people, talk with people, communicate with people to attract them to check out my YouTube channel. And in this case, because we are a programmer, we want to create something which is going to do all that automatically. And that was my idea. So, preview project part 1. In this tutorial, I just want to explain about the idea and how we can simply perform and how we can simply develop script or software or whatever you want to call it, which is going to do all that for you automatically and more intelligent. So, first of all, because you want to respond to the question of people in Reddit, you want to talk with people, you want to interact with the Reddit website, you have to have a Reddit API. So you search on Google Reddit API. You can go to the API documentation, find out how to get the Reddit API, create account, and simply get it. It's free. So that's the first step. The second step is that. But the question is that, like, even though if I have a Reddit API, how I can just simply with my script automatically read the question, answer the question like correct, like intelligent, without even me personally human talk with them. So AI, right now we have ChatGPT, right now we have different AI artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. So what was my idea? My idea was into my idea was combine Reddit API with GPT-4 API and automation script using Python, which is going to do all that for you. So you go GPT-4 API, you go to the OpenAI, you create account. Right now I already have account, so I go to the here OpenAI API. I have it already logged in, and then I go to the API reference, and then I can go simply how I can use it, authentication, whatever. And here at the bottom, actually, let me find out where is it. Dashboard, yeah, dashboard. Here, API keys. I can get my API key and simply integrate GPT-4 API into my application and definitely Reddit API into my application and create a script or software which is going to do all that automatically. So how it is going to get the title of the post, try to search on Reddit, find all of the related Reddit posts with that title, read their question, answer their question, reply to their question, and answer their question correctly, and at the end, just simply put the YouTube videos. So it's so cool, right? So how? Imagine that this one, or I can search like, for example, what is Python? Imagine you have video like called "What is Python?" What is Python used for? The question is this. I'm going to I'm going to go to my I just want to show you the example. I'm going to go to my ChatGPT and already sign up with my GPT-4. I have my GPT-4 right now. Answer. Imagine you have to make you have to reply to this Reddit post. So imagine you have to reply to this Reddit post and mm, encourage them encourage them to subscribe your YouTube channel, something like that, right? I'm gonna copy paste the question, and then you can see, hey there, it's awesome that you're starting to go at 13. So that's a great age to dive into the programming. Python is actually a fantastic choice, special for beginners. It's super versatile and can be used for all sorts of things, from web development to machine learning and so on. Blah blah blah, and then it just talk about it, and then you can say try to put my YouTube video link at the bottom of reply, which is this. Okay, I'm gonna give my YouTube video right now, this one. It doesn't matter, and then you're gonna see that it is going to reply to this uh, Reddit post, which is say So like I'm 13 and just I started to learn to code and answer like so intelligent and say hi there. It's awesome that you're starting code at 13 and everything automatically and more and a lot more intelligent. And here is simply put the link. If I'm going to click on that, actually yeah, here. I simply go to my YouTube video, right? So simple, right? But the thing is that imagine automatically your program is going to put this content into the reply this put this content into the reply of this guy, and then this guy tomorrow is going to get notification. He's going to go read your reply, and then okay, he like your answer, you really help him, why not, he's going to check your YouTube videos. And not only that, even other people, even other people which simply reading all the conversation between other people, they can simply see your reply, they can simply read your content, and if they like, they can just check out your YouTube videos. But the thing is that it's completely automatically, so you save your time, you don't need to go search, read, understand, explain, even though sometimes you don't have any knowledge about the topic, but simply with AI you can do it, and with Python you can automate it, right? That's the idea. So if you like me to start doing this project and show you the technical part, subscribe my YouTube channel. That's all for today.